Good afternoon, my name is Colby and I'm with Chattanooga Business Machines, and if you're watching this video today, that means that you're having some pesky lines on prints, and I want to show you how to take care of that. So Sharp has actually given us some tools that we can use to address this issue. They're here in the front door, so when you open that you're going to see these, and today we're going to be using the green one. In order to use that tool, the first thing that we want to do is remove the waste toner container. On either side you're going to find a green tab. If you'll press those in, that'll pop the waste toner container out. Now when you're handling this, you want to be careful because this does have a lot of toner in it and you don't want to have any spills. Now that that's out of the way, what you're going to find is that inside of the machine you have these 4 holes with green arrows that point towards them. Those are color coordinated based on what color line that you may be having. The tool is a charge cleaner. Basically what this is a pad that is going to clean each of those charges individually. This is the side that you're going to want to use. It has the roller there, and it will only fit in one way, so you can't really get it wrong. So once you get it in the slot, you want to slide it in and all the way back out 2 to 3 times. Usually, since they are color specific, you can just pick one, but it is a very short, quick process, so you can just go ahead and do all 4 while you're in there. Once you're finished with the tool, there is a post that you'll find here and a hole on the charge cleaner to help you put that back in place, so it will always stay put. When you're finished with that, you want to take the waste toner container and put it back in. Again, be careful with this. You don't want to make a mess, and it'll just pop back in place. Then you can close the door and you're ready to go. Hopefully that helps you take care of your problem. Thank you guys for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.